Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on apps simply and here 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. We have to tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will basically inform you what it will reset. So the preferences for disabled apps and notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.